Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the best loan size available through Lendio. If you're a small business owner like me, or even just researching your funding options, you've probably come across Lendio. I've personally navigated their platform, and what I can tell you from that experience is that Lendio itself isn't a direct lender, but a marketplace. This distinction is crucial because the best or maximum loan size you can get actually depends on the type of loan and the lender in their network. You can't just look for one number. Instead, you have to look at the different funding products they connect you with. Here's a breakdown of the largest loan sizes I've seen available through the Lendio marketplace. Based on product type, SBA loans, Small Business Administration. This is often where you'll find the highest maximum amounts. For a standard SBA 7A loan, for example, the cap is usually around $5 million. I consider this the gold standard for large, long-term financing needs like real estate or major business acquisition. Equipment financing. If you're looking to buy heavy machinery or specialized equipment, these loans can also go very high, typically up to $5 million or sometimes more, because the equipment itself acts as collateral. Commercial mortgages. When we talk about financing commercial real estate through Lendio's network, the loan amounts can go up to $5 million and beyond, depending heavily on the value of the property. On the flip side, you have quicker, more accessible options with lower maximums. Business term loans and short-term loans. These are common and generally max out around $2 million for a standard term loan and around $500,000 for a short-term loan. Business lines of credit. For flexible, revolving credit, the typical maximum I've seen is around $500,000. SBA microloans. If your needs are small, a microloan caps out at $50,000. So, when you ask about the best loan size, the real answer is that the maximum available size across Lendio's diverse network is often up to, or even exceeding, $5 million, primarily with their SBA and commercial real estate products. However, the exact size you qualify for, regardless of the cap, will be determined by your business's financial health, revenue, time in business, and credit score. My advice is to use their one application to see which lenders and which of these high-value products you match with. That is the only way to find your true best loan size. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.